Okay, it's recording.
Hi everyone, my name is Zachary. Welcome back to a video. For this video, we're going to be doing a sweetie test.
Look out, Zach.
So, as you can see, I've got two sweets. This one's A and this one's B, and it's basically like a blindfold test.
Look out, he's coming.
Okay. And I have to see which one is which. So I'm going to close my eyes.
Okay.
Pick out one.
Look out.
It tastes very sweet.
Yeah.
And I think it's a pink mouse.
Right. You haven't got your eyes shut.
Okay, this is.
This one here.
I think you put it there, did you?
Yeah.
What is that one?
This one, I think, is vanilla fudge, guys.
That's vanilla fudge. Right. Take the fork away, Zach.
Now, guys, was I correct? Yes.
Yes, I
correct.
think you were.
Okay.
No more.
Okay. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a good.
No more sweets for you today. That's too big sweets.
Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. See you next time with another video. Bye, guys.
Bye.